Number 5. DEWALT DCN680D1. If you want a cordless brad nailer that packs a powerful punch, the DEWALT DCN680D1 is the one for you. The 100% battery power eliminates the need for a compressor or costly gas cartridges, giving you the freedom to move around with ease. The brushless motor ensures maximum runtime and durability, so you can tackle large projects with confidence. The micro nose design improves accuracy and line of sight, making nail placement a breeze. The tool-free depth adjustment allows for precise countersinking of nails, while the tool-free jam release quickly clears any nail jams that may occur. The multifunctional LED lights not only illuminate your workspace, but also provide valuable tool diagnostics. The selectable trigger gives you the option of sequential or contact actuation modes, depending on the task at hand. The adjustable belt hook allows for left or right attachment, catering to your preference. The low nail lockout prevents dry firing and unwanted marks on your work material, ensuring a professional finish every time. What I love most about the DEWALT DCN680D1 is the freedom it provides. No longer tethered to a compressor or gas cartridges, I can move around my workspace with ease. The only downside I found was the weight of the nailer, but the benefits far outweigh this minor inconvenience. If you're in the market for a reliable and versatile cordless brad nailer, look no further than the DEWALT DCN680D1.